Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anand and you're watching Physics Craze. Just few days ago मैंने एक वीडियो अपलोड किया था जिसमें मैंने आप लोगों से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे कि नाउ दिस इज द डू एंड डाई सिचुएशन फॉर एवरी एस्पिरेंट हु इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम। तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पोस्ट किए हैं और उनमें से कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हैं जो कॉमन है। सो आई हैव सिलेक्टेड सम ऑफ देम एंड मैंने अपने जो बैचमेट्स हैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट किया एंड थैंकफुली दे एग्री टू कम एंड टू हैव अ मीटिंग विथ मी सो दैट वो सारे क्वेश्चंस के जो एक्सपेक्टेड सॉल्यूशंस हैं या आप बोल सकते हो उन्होंने कैसे आप जो प्रॉब्लम आप लोग फेस कर रहे हो वो उन प्रॉब्लम से कैसे कोप अप करते हैं उसका एक शॉर्ट वीडियो मैंने आप लोग को प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं लाऊंगा। सो फॉर दिस वीडियो वी आर हैविंग कथा विद अस। सो हे कथा। सो कथा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ। आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दो लाइक आपका जैम रैंक एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू कैन डू।
तो मैं बोल दो ना।
लाइक वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम, आपने अपने एकेडमिक्स कहाँ से की, दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड।
Hello, I'm Katha and I did my BSc from Jadavpur University, West Bengal, and my JAM rank is 4.
One thing that everyone wants to know, whether you joined any coaching classes for your preparation.
No, I didn't. I only watched some YouTube videos and then did some mock test papers and some assignment booklets,
Oh,
some practice questions.
so you prepared yourself,
That's all.
means you didn't take help
Yeah.
from any coaching.
No, I didn't take any help from coaching.
Okay. So what I'm saying, like it is possible to get a single digit rank even with your own preparation.
Yeah, it's absolutely possible.
So there are some question Katha that my all
Okay.
students or friends have asked to me. So I have selected three questions for you. Just give
Okay.
your opinion. How did you manage all the things? Okay. The first question is,
Okay.
how did you cope up with the fear of not getting selected in IITs? The first thing is, did you have fear to not getting selected?
I had every time I felt nervous and did so much panic. Actually, I didn't get rid of that fear completely, but what I thought that doing MSc is much more important. Because if I was not selected for IIT, then I can apply for JNU, DU, or other central university. Even I can did my MSc from our state university from which college I passed my BSc.
Mhm.
So that's why that other options I always put in my mind. And but still there was some fear as I sit for the exam. So
Mhm.
there always be some expectations and there must be some fear. So I every time ignore that fear and try to focus on study,
Like, how
because
did you
nothing more
manage
that
to
can
ignore that fear?
when that thing came in my mind. I try to watch some motivational videos and I try to listening music or try
Mhm.
to be feel uh, try to be free from stress.
Mhm.
When this type of fear come in my mind, I feel so much stressed and depressed. So try to avoid that stress, try to get rid of that stress.
Mhm. Okay, that was nice. So the next question is it important to solve all questions from assignment booklet? Like, did you get any assignment booklet of any coaching institutes?
Yeah, I actually bought the Sam Vedna Publications books,
Hmm.
and for me that books was very good for me because there are some theory parts that give some formulas or describe all the necessary theorems or other things, and after that there are some examples and then exercises. If you can solve all the exercise, then that is good for you, but I didn't get much time to solve all the problems. So I just gone through the examples, and then for exercise I have selected different types of problems. maybe some problems are of same type, so for that I only select one or two, and I had done the only two problems from one type, and then skip others and choose some other type of problems.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I did. And in Samvedna, there are three exercises: exercise 1, 2, and 3. For one, all the questions are same level like JAM's question paper.
Mm-hmm.
So that I try to complete all the questions of exercise 1. But for exercise 2, I selected few questions
Mm-hmm.
of different types.
So, did you join any test series for your for checking
Yeah,
your
I
performance?
joined and I bought the test series from Career Endeavor,
Mm-hmm.
the package,
So,
one of
how
the
was your
package.
experience from their test series? Like, you were scoring
Not
good
so
enough
good.
marks?
No, no, never. In test series, the highest marks which I got, that is 59. So so many silly mistakes I had done. The career endeavor questions was so tough,
Mm-hmm.
and that level was also high compared to the JAMS question paper, because JAMS was much more easy from in our time. IIT Kanpur did the questions.
Mm-hmm.
So that was comparatively much more easy than the career endeavor paper. And in the MSQ part, in career endeavor paper, all the 10 questions are like 40 questions, because each four options we have to check, we have to solve, and then can
Uh-huh.
say what is the answer. So in that case, I lost so many marks in. If you get any mistakes and see not good result in the test series, then first point out what is the reason of your mistakes. Is it the silly mistakes because of the exam temperament, or it is because your conceptual mistakes? If
Mm-hmm.
it is conceptual mistakes, then you try to clear your concept, try to read that topic once again, and then try to solve another type of questions. And if it is just silly mistake, then try to focus much more attention while doing it.
So,
That's the
did you
thing.
cover the whole syllabus of JAM?
No, I left some part when jam was conducted. Then we are in the fifth
Mm-hmm.
semester. Up to fifth semester course we have covered. So that's why the nuclear physics part I have skipped,
Oh, only nuclear physics
and
and wave
only
oscillation?
nuclear physics. Wave oscillations I have done.
Yeah, okay,
And
you have done.
from the Samvedna publications books,
Mm-hmm.
there is a book for optics and wave oscillations. That book is very good, and from that book, the first 1 and 2 chapters are based on waves,
Oh,
and I have practiced that exercise.
okay. So moving to the next question, like, do you have any suggestions for all the candidates? Like, is it important to solve questions from the great books for mechanics, like what we say, Goldstein and
For jam,
Kleffner? Hmm.
if one can do this, then that's good for his or her concept. But for jam, most important is doing MCQs
Hmm.
and get rid of the exam fear, because what you have practiced in the whole year, what you have done, and that is important. But most important is that how you perform within these 3 hours,
Hmm. Hmm.
how your brain works within these 3 hours. Because if within these 3 hours you work well, your brain works well, you perform well, you can do most of the questions without any silly mistakes, then you can good score, you can acquire good marks.
Hmm.
So if you can solve good problems from good books, then
Like it is
that is good
subjective.
for your knowledge. It is subjective, yeah.
Means it is not mandatory or important, so that for
Yeah.
getting selected into IT
Mandatory
you
is
must solve. Hmm.
practicing
Hmm.
jam
Oh,
questions,
okay.
like MCQ questions.
Okay, so I hope so everyone got the answer.
Everyone,
Like you
everyone
don't need.
try to. try to do the mock test series, because
Hmm.
in jam the calculator problem is there, because calculator is virtual calculator, so you have to use to that calculator,
Hmm. You need to get
habituated with that
familiar with that.
calculator, familiar with that.
Huh.
So that's a problem. So if you have done so many test series, because in career endeavor package there are 12 full length series.
Hmm.
So if you and I did 10 out of
Hmm.
12, 10 series I have done. So if you can do 10 or 12 series, then at least your exam fear or time management, that
Will be
up to
improving.
how much time you will give to MCQ, how much time you
Hmm.
will give to NAT, and what part you will try to start first. Because I try to start from MCQ, then MSQ, and then NAT. Someone may prefer that first they doing the
I
NAT and then
I did that.
MSQ.
I first appeared
Oh,
MSQ, then NAT, then MCQ.
so that familiarity is very important for
Hmm.
jam, because that is also a 3 hours exam. So you have to be familiar with the exam environment or
Exactly, exactly. So the last question is it possible to crack JAM with good rank in these 2 or 2.5 months? Do you have any suggestions for all the aspirants like who are preparing from June, July, August, and they are having only these 2 months for their preparation? So do you have any suggestions for them?
the suggestions that I have, that I can give, that you must try to solve the test series, or try to practice much more MCQs and point out where you have done the silly mistakes. So, if
Hmm.
you can't attend some 10 or 20 questions in JAM, then that will not affect in your marks. But if you have done 10 or 20 silly mistakes, and because of that some marks will be cutted because of negative marking, that
Hmm.
will affect your rank, that will affect your performance.
Means it is not
So,
important to attempt whole paper, like do what you know.
I didn't attempt the whole paper. I
Hmm.
had left some questions. Fluid mechanics, fluid dynamics, I have skipped. So nuclear
Okay.
physics I have skipped.
So
So many topics I have skipped.
you must have checked your paper also. So in a final exam like in JAM, how many
Hmm.
mistakes have you done?
I have done. I remembered. I have done four mistakes.
Okay.
One is from two is from MCQ, and one
Mhm.
is from NAT, and two is from NAT, two is from MCQ.
Okay. So you got all the MSQs right, huh?
Yeah,
That is impressive.
that's the reason for my marks.
So that is it, Kata. For you, we have all these questions,
Okay.
and thank you for the time, and thank you for guiding all the aspirants. I hope so. You all of you have got your
Thanks to
answers.
you.
That's humble. Okay, then we'll meet for the second semester. Bye bye.
Bye.